In March 1888, a storm struck the northeastern United States, unleashing blizzard conditions that would come to be known as the Great Blizzard of 1888. Lasting from March 11 to March 14, the tempest dropped an astonishing 40 inches of snow in some areas and was accompanied by winds reaching 80 miles per hour. New York City was paralyzed, with drifts burying entire streets and trapping thousands of people indoors. Surprisingly, this disaster led to significant improvements in weather forecasting and emergency preparedness. It spurred advancements such as the formation of the U.S. Weather Bureau, ensuring a more informed response to future storms. This blizzard not only reshaped the landscape, but established new protocols that saved lives in the years to come.